Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, so let's get into it. The first step is going to be to open the bills page. So from the left menu on your QuickBooks dashboard, click plus new and then choose bill under the vendor section. Step 2 is to enter bill details. So select the vendor from your list or you can create a new one and then fill in the bill dates, the due dates, the bill number, and the payment terms if applicable. You also want to add the expense category like office supplies or utilities, and of course enter the amount. The next step is to save the bill. So click save and close if you're done, or you can save and new to add another bill. The bill will now appear in your unpaid bills list. Step 4 is to pay the bill. Now when you're ready to pay, go to plus new, pay bills, and then select the bill that you want to pay. Choose your payment method. It could be check, bank transfers, or credit card, and confirm the payment date. The last step is to record the payment. Now after payment, QuickBooks automatically moves the bill to the paid bills section, keeping your accounts payable up to date. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.